that it was this Daniel. That this in the text singles him out from any other Daniel that was among the governors or the presidents who served under their king. The second thing about Daniel, I'm proving my point of having an excellent spirit, because this is why some of us do and will suffer. The second thing about Daniel is that he was preferred, which means again that he was favored. There might be a whole lot of people who like some folk, but when like there's a difference in being liked and being favored. Because when I'm favored, you ain't got to like me.
It's done.